Scientific method WebQuest directions. So when you come to this document, if you can open the document so that you can write on it, then you're fine, and just move on with the questions. If you can't, you need to go to the alternate assignment where it's attached, and you will have to copy paste the questions into a doc. You should be able to submit these directly to the assignment, not to share them with me or send them through Canvas like an email. They should be attached to the assignment. If you have technical issues, you need to let me know. I'm going to start recording those so I can ask IT. This link right here is a link you'll go to that has the activity similar to the other lab. You're going to go here. You need to read the directions right here on the left. When you come to about midway down, it talks about composting. That's what you're doing this activity. These tools down here you don't have to use. You can use them if you'd like, but you're just going to come over here and do this activity, figure out what you think it would be, and then press the button down here. The purpose of this activity is for you to see what it takes to be efficient in making compost. So high efficiency is what you want. We were close, so you need to adjust and figure it out. However, even though there's information on this page, the questions you need to be answering are the ones that are in this lab. So your first job after doing this activity, just practicing right here, is to go back to the assignment and answer this question. Or basically, you're answering the question because it's asking you, state what you want to do. I want to make a compost pile. State a prediction you want to test. I want to test brown and green waste. So it's probably like leaves and branches and, whatever. It's anything that can be composted. Vegetables. And then you're going to look at how much water it takes. And then you're going to look at how many times you have to turn it over in a month. That goes right here. What are you predicting? What are you testing? What do I predict? I'm going to predict what I just said. How many times I'm going to turn it, how much water I'm going to give it, that I think would be a successful compost pile. Then you're going to go to test your hypothesis using the computer model hypothesis. What steps will you follow? Explain what you're going to do in steps. Number 1, do this. Number 2, do this. And down here, what data will you record? Well, you have this data right here you can record. It's telling you numbers here and percents here and how many times there. Data you collect is typically going to be numbers. Observations are words. It says be specific about which of the variables you want to adjust and when. These are the variables right here. You're going to change these. Draw a conclusion. Did the result of your experiment support your hypothesis? Well, you wrote a hypothesis up here. Did it work? Or were you right, wrong, why? Doesn't matter if you're right or wrong. It's going to lead you to another question, whether you're right or wrong. Down here, vaccines. This needs to be completed on a Chrome or Firefox. Well, we know Chrome is what you have. You're going to go here. You're going to follow this epidemiologist through this assignment to the end. Then you're going to go back, and then you're going to go here to Study Jams. Take the quiz at the end. You're going to go here and take the quiz. It says test yourself. Then you're going to go down. This is where you put your answers for that quiz. Inky the Squid and the Treasure of the Scientific Method, play the game. You're going to go here, play the game. All right, there's the video you're going to play. Then you're going to go back. You're going to take the scientific method quiz. You're going to go here. You're going to take the scientific method quiz. Then you're going to go down here, and this is just a page for you to read this information and answer these questions. You're going to read this information and answer these questions, and that is the end of the assignment. You will submit your answers again to Canvas attached to the assignment. I hope this video helps.